Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the shampoo type and directions because medicated formulas vary. Wet your hair with lukewarm water. Hot water increases irritation. Then apply a small dab to test a hidden area. Once the patch shows no reaction after the recommended time, pour the recommended amount. You need only a thin layer for most scalps. Make sure to keep the shower brief while you prepare to lather so the active ingredient remains effective. You should work methodically. Apply about 1/2 to a full palm of shampoo and spread it across the scalp, not the ends. Massage gently for 2 to 5 minutes so the active ingredient penetrates and loosens flakes. Vigorous scrubbing can worsen irritation. Once done, ensure the product stays on for the label-specified contact time. This is how it works. If the instructions call for leaving it in, resist rinsing early. That timing is critical for you finish by rinsing thoroughly until water runs clear. Trapped residue can dry out the scalp and reduce benefit. If the product instructs, repeat the routine immediately or on the next scheduled wash. Many medicated shampoos work best with 2-3 times weekly use. Make sure to monitor for irritation over the following 48 hours. If you notice persistent burning, rash, or swelling, stop using the shampoo and contact a clinician. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.